Hello again, it's me, Andrea, Senior Maintenance Coordinator. Here at RPM Alamo, we know you may not always want to be a renter and are planning to own a home of your own. The move-out process can be overwhelming, so the following video is what to expect when moving out. 1. Your lease is very important, and we'll let you know how many days before the end of your lease you need to notify us that you're moving out. Make sure to do the appropriate notice, either 30 or 60-day notice, in writing, so we're aware of your intent to move. AppFolio also has an easy feature you can use to complete this. 2. Leasing will reach out to you about a pre-move out walkthrough. This is simply to see if the property is market worthy. Your property manager will provide you with items that need to be taken care of during move out. 3. Make sure to return the keys, including the mailbox keys, garage door openers, gate openers, if applicable, and submit a forwarding address and carpet cleaning receipt on the day of move out. All of these must be dropped off at our office at 7272 Wurzbach Road, Suite 204 on the day your lease ends. 4. 30 days from your move out, we will process your security deposit and mail it out to the forwarded address you provided. Just a heads up, your lease requires you to surrender keys to prove you vacated the property. You can be charged for additional days and to change the locks if you don't complete this last step in your tenancy. You must provide a carpet cleaning receipt. If not, you'll be charged for this service. You must provide a forwarding address. If you don't, we will mail your refund to the last address we have on file, which unfortunately is the property you just moved out of. As always, we welcome any questions or concerns you may have with the move out process. Don't hesitate to email us at general@rpmalamo.com with these. Thank you for watching and happy renting.